Hello everyone, I am Charan. So in previous video we have discussed about liquefaction potential index, how it is calculated and how it is determined, and how we have to enter it in Excel sheet. So in this video we will discuss about how it is going to project in QGIS. QGIS is nothing but a quantum geographical information system. So why you are using a quantum geographical information system? We have another sources. So why we are using it? Because it is an open source platform, so anyone can easily access it without any interruption. So I have selected a new project. Here you can see in the screen. So in this, firstly I have to go to web. In it, quick map services, OSM standard. OSM is nothing but OpenStreetMap. So you will be getting a old map here. So in this, our study area is Vijayawada. So I will going to select Vijayawada region. So this was our study area, and now we have to digitize it. So firstly we have to go to new temporary scratch layer, which means we are going to create a shapefile for our study area. We have to give a layer name to it. Let me give it is Vijayawada. Our geometric type is a curve polygon. So it's okay, and now we have to digitize this shapefile. So let me go to add polygon. This was add polygon, and now you will be getting a cursor like this, and we have to digitize now. So we have to need to cut whatever we want up to whatever our study area. So ours is Vijayawada, so that's why I am selecting like this. After completion of your portion, right click, and now your shapefile is created. So like this you can create your shapefile whatever area you want. So like this we have created our shapefile. It's our study area. So now we have to project our 1000 locations in here. So let me do it. It is you can't see that how is our study area. So let me show you its properties. Right click it and go to properties, and now take here outline blue, apply. Okay, so this is our study area. So we have cut a portion of whatever we want. So we took the locations. Our 1000 locations is in this only. So now we have to add our 1000 locations in it, which means we have to project it. So for that I will go to layer, add layer. This add layer we have to go to add delaminated text layer. For this we have to take a file. So we have different magnitudes, right? We have taken 4, 5, 6, 7. We have our files is in comma separated file. So I will select the magnitude 7. I'm opening it. So here is it, and we have to select the X fields and Y fields. In X field it is longitude, and in Y field it's I have to select latitude, and we have to add it and close. So here are our 1000 locations. You can see our locations are all here, and you can see the points, and you can't see the labels. So for this you have to go to magnitude of our shapefile and right click it, and here you can see the show labels. So now we can see the labels of the points, which is we have different locations. We have 1000 locations, so we selected them as 1, 2, and we determined as 1, 2. So we get the locations. So we have labeled like this. Let me categorize it, which means we have different type of severities. So we have classified severities right in Excel sheet. So we give some colors to it based on severity. So for that we have to go to magnitude 7, right click it, and properties. In here you can see the single symbol. So in this we go to categorized. In value we'll put the severity. Symbol is like this only, and here we go to classify. So here you can get all high, very low. So these are the severity we have taken: high, low, very high. So we have different ranges of high, which means we decided that 5 to 15 it is very high. So in that range values we can get the very high, low, very low. So apply. Okay, So we have different colors. You can change colors of whatever color you want. So we classified colors like very high it's green, low it's some dark blue, and very low it's red. So we have indicated like this. So you can see that in similar locations, so you can get the severity of different colors. Now we will see interpolation. Interpolation means nothing but we have two locations here. Let me show you. Yeah. Here you have Kanuru 8 and Kanuru 9. So you know the value of Kanuru 9 and Kanuru 8 value of LPA. We don't know the value between these two locations, right? In between these two locations. Now we will see how can we get the LPA value between these two locations. So for this, go to toolbox. This we have different tools, and go to interpolation, double click on it. This will go to IDW interpolation, which is inverse distance weighted interpolation. So our vector layer is magnitude 7. Our interpolation attribute is LPA. So we need to interpolate LPA value, right? So and now click on the plus symbol. So we will get our vector layer magnitude 7, right? Attribute LPA. So now we have to do extend. Then go to extend and click on calculate from layer. In this, we have to select our shapefile and now give rows. The rows depends upon your map size. For us it's a big map and we have 1000 locations, so I am giving 2000. If we give rows, columns will be automatically coming. Now save as now save this file. Don't save to a temporary file or save to a file. So I'll give my file name as Vijayawada IDW. Yeah, save. And now run. So it may take some time, so don't worry. After interpolation, we'll be getting like this. So now what we have to do, so it's in square shape, so we have to get into our shapefile shape. So for this, we'll go to raster, extraction, clip raster by mask layer, go to clip raster by mask. And so input layer is a Vijayawada. Now we have to select mask layer, it's our shapefile. And now we have to save it. Don't save to a temporary file, save it as I'll be saving like Vijayawada mask layer. So I'm saving like this, so it's also run. So after run, close it. So here left side we can see our Vijayawada mask layer, so it's a band. So now close the Vijayawada IDW. So you can see now that it comes to our shapefile. So now we are giving our classification color based on our severity. For this, go to mask layer, right click, properties. You can see that our minimum and maximum LPA values here 0, 17. And here render type, put single band pseudo color. So we'll be getting some colors, so I don't need this color, so I'm just deleting them. Select them and click on minus symbol, they will be detected. And now add, it's 0. For 0 I'm giving color green. Okay, so I'm giving green color. So like this I classified the colors based upon my LPA values. So for 0 I give green, for 5 light green, so for 20 I give red because severity is more in that. So I have to apply now. So I'm applying color. So now cancel. So now you can see that our LPA is classified based upon the severity. So red is for severe. So now click on I symbol here. So what I was mentioned earlier, that we can get the LPI values between two locations, right? So let us see, let us check it once. Here we have Idappagallu 13 and 8. So I'll be clicking here. So you can see here right on right side, you can know the value of the LPI value between these two locations. So it is 11.49. Okay, let us check for another location. So here we have two close locations, right? 3 and 4. Just a minute. So we'll be clicking here. So now you can know the value 13. So as you know that it is in mild red color, right? So for 10 we have given that yellow plus red color, so you can see like that. So it's our interpolation and color classification based upon severity of LPI values. Hello all, now we'll prepare the layout of our study area. So firstly we have to add map. So the add map is here, and come to the layout and drag like this. So you will get the map of your study area. So this was how we have prepared the map. So and I have to add the text. For that, here we have that add text, and drag like this. So we will be getting a dialog box here. So input your name. So whatever you want to name your map. I'm just giving liquefaction. Liquefaction map at magnitude 7, and you can change your font size. So I'm changing my font size here. So I'm taking 5. Yeah, and now I'm adding scale to the map. So here it is, and I'm adding north arrow. Click here, north arrow. So adjust yourself, and add legend. This is for the legend, means the total information of your map will be getting here. The bandwidth, the color classification that we have mentioned. So all will be getting here, and we need to add some photos that indicates this map. So for the photos, click on here. We'll be getting a cursor like this, and drag here. Click on you'll be getting a dialog box. In that, click on raster image. Select file. So I'm taking first. I'm taking Andhra Pradesh map. And I have to add one more picture. So I'm adding here. Click on raster image. Select your image. Now I'm selecting India map. So why I'm adding pictures is to indicate where the Vijayawada is located. Yeah. Now add an arrow. Just a minute. like this, you'll be getting an arrow. Sorry, it's a wrong indication. Yeah, so we'll get all your map here, the information, scale, and your map. So this is how we complete. Actually, if you want your map as an image, so you can do here, export as image. Click on here and save. I'll be saving like liquefaction @magnitude7. So save. Yeah, you will be getting like this, so that your map is saved as an image. So this is how we can create map. You can project your data from Excel sheet to the QGIS. So you can do for magnitude 4, 5, 6 and whatever work you want. So this is the work we have done in QGIS. Thank you all.